This is a simple React Native tutorial to put these buttons, that's by default in a column, into a row. In the source folder, open up styles.tsx. Let's apply some styling to it. This is the default styling of the theta-client SDK. And we will justify the content as, instead of center, flex, start. And we'll add some padding to the top. So to implement the styles, go back to the main.tsx portion here. And let's look for our buttons. So we have some tooltips, which is why it says tooltip here. So we wrapped the button previously in a previous video around with the tooltip. So let's create a view. Button wrapper, we just created it. And we'll close the view at the end of our button area. And now we have our buttons here in a row. They still function. This is using a camera simulator right now, not the physical camera, although the application does work with the physical camera. So these are simulated images from the 360 camera. And the next video, we'll put these into cards to make it look a little bit more appealing. And the tooltips work as well too. The full code and a full written tutorial are available in the community. No registration required. You can just grab it. The author of this great tutorial here is Mr. So his handle is Shegzi, but his name is Mr. Bobate Olusegun from Lagos, Nigeria. Quality is excellent for the article. We'll also put this fourth video here in our playlist. You can just click through it from the beginning. And the next video we will cover from Mr. Olusegun's tutorial. We'll take the cards, the listing here of the images from the camera simulator, and we'll put it into this type of card here. It'll be a lot of fun. So subscribe to the channel so when we get that next video out, you can grab it and continue on with your journey of learning React Native and React Native Paper with the open source RICOH Theta client SDK. Have a great day.